Have you ever looked up and seen clouds so close it feels like you could reach out and touch them, sometimes even appearing to rest on mountain tops or brush against tall buildings? Some clouds form very low to the ground because the air quickly cools to its dew point at a low altitude. These are typically low-level cloud types such as stratus, stratocumulus, and nimbostratus, which are found within about 6,500 feet of the Earth's surface. The science behind this is quite fascinating. When warm, moist air near the ground begins to rise, it expands and cools. As the air cools, the water vapor within it starts to condense into tiny liquid water droplets, forming a cloud. The critical factor for low clouds is that the air reaches its dew point, the temperature at which it becomes fully saturated and condensation occurs, very close to the Earth's surface. This often happens when there is abundant moisture in the air and the lower atmosphere is relatively stable, preventing the air from rising to great heights before forming clouds. Understanding these low clouds can tell you a lot about the day's weather. Stratus clouds often create a uniform, gray sky, sometimes bringing a light drizzle or mist. Nimbostratus clouds are thicker and darker, typically associated with continuous light to moderate rain or snow. These low clouds mean the air is moist and stable, so you are less likely to see dramatic storms and more likely to experience consistent, often damp weather. A cool insider fact is that fog is actually just a stratus cloud that has formed directly at ground level, reducing visibility significantly. Meteorologists refer to the altitude where these clouds begin to form as the lifting condensation level, or LCL, which is precisely where the air's temperature cools to meet its dew point. So, when the LCL is very low, that is where your low-lying clouds will appear. Knowing why these clouds sit so close to us helps us appreciate the dynamic, invisible forces shaping our daily weather. It allows you to look at a gray sky or a misty morning and understand the atmospheric conditions at play, giving you a clearer picture of what to expect from the day.